I usually make flower essences out on the land in places that are wild or forests but not always. Sometimes I just make it where I'm near. And so I wanted to show you that because some people live in apartments or live in places where they don't have access to a good stretch of outdoors that I do here. And so, and just to know, this is a chicken coop over here, so or a chicken yard. So you may have the beautiful energies of the chickens, and you can hear the rooster here. So I wanted to share this plant a little closer, and I like to come in and connect with the plants I'm going to make essences from. Not so much of figuring out, researching information. You know, that can be good, but I like to do that later, especially with flower essences, because it's about the spirit. It's about the consciousness. You're making the plant with the fairy Deva spirit consciousness of the plant, whatever you want to call that. So I just wanted to get close and kind of observe the flowers with you. They're pretty. Look at the leaves. And just start opening your heart with me to this plant, to this being. This is a conscious, sentient being. That's my experience of working with the plants. They are beautiful spirits. And this one came to me. It gave to me this medicine, and others who wish to share too, an opportunity to learn something, to grow, to evolve. And that's what these plants do. So I want to bring my gratitude and blessings. I'm just going to open my heart and imagine, or just give my blessing, my gratitude, my love to this plant. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for coming forward, reminding me of your medicine, your love. And I'd like to ask permission now from this plant. I know it showed up, but do I have permission to make medicine, to pick some of your flowers or connect with you in your consciousness in order to make a flower essence? And I'm hearing a yes, of course, and like that's why it showed up here right now. And I also wanted to be a star of this video too, which is really cute. I like to be part of things. So I'm gonna just have you join me in creating a sacred space around us and the plant. I also want to show you, I put out a bowl of water, and I have some crystals around it and a sacred geometry thing. Actually, there's no water. I'm going to put some water in here. And bless the water. Ooh, it looks so magical. It's fresh spring water from the land. I want to honor the spirit of the water for holding the energy and the medicine of the essence. And I also want to say hey to the sun up there. It's a little behind some clouds, but this essence we're creating is an alchemy. It's a dance of the water and the fire. And the plants get to be activated into medicine that we take as flower essences through this alchemy. I can feel the wind responding to that. Yes, alchemy of the medicine. So let's open ourselves and ground really deeply in the earth, the crystalline grid of Mother Earth, the crystalline grid of our own body, and the crystalline grid of the sun, the great central sun and the cosmic sun. I'd like to anchor in each direction, the north, south, east, and west, the elementals. We honor spirit keepers of the directions. We bring our energy, gather it into our own bodies, honor the Christed light of unity consciousness, and all the sacred geometry sphere to surround us, protect our medicine, keep us in the field of pure white light, the light of Mother Earth, and the light of the divine. And from this place, I wish to open to the spirit of this plant with you. I want to let its spirit come to my heart, be with me. And I can hear it starting to talk about some of the ways it can help me and help you. So I'm going to ask for what part of it would like to be used for the flower essence. I'm kind of getting to use just to pick off a flower. It doesn't really need much. And sometimes it doesn't even want to be picked. Whoops. I guess the leaf wanted to come with it too. And it said that's plenty. I don't often use a lot of plant material. I don't want to disturb the plant too much, and that felt like that was plenty. Actually, it's telling me to do the other side, so it's even. Nice. So now I'm going to take a little pause. I'll be back shortly. But I want to give the spirit, the consciousness of the plant, time to infuse its energy into the water. And let the sun do its magic, its work, infusing the medicine. And I'm going to sit and just meditate on what is this plant about? What does its spirit want to communicate? And just open to any messages, any healing. So I'll let this be at peace and I'll be back.